Okay folks, we are in Kargil. We are going to Hunderman Village and Purigpa Tribe and LOC View Point and a museum. So there are 4 places in and around Kargil. So it's around 8 kilometers, Hunderman Village. So we are going there now. Time is around 5:11. We got freshened up, dropped our luggage. We are leaving now. If there is off-road, I'll be belting the bike like anything because there is no luggage now. This is Kargil town for you folks. I am kinda liking the town actually. Yeah, there are 4 places like I said. We'll see how the road is. I mean, it's around 8 kilometers now. And this is all one way actually. And there is some traffic. See the view. Some biker is coming on the opposite side. Let's see. I think I saw this guy there also. The road is very small. He is giving signal to go. Oh, what a route, man. Route not a water route. I've never ridden in such kind of routes. Just see the way the road is leading between the rocks and the trees. Yes. So basically we are going to LOC View Point. We can't go near LOC. Of course, we are not allowed. So we'll go to the viewpoint and we'll see the LOC. But nice here. This road is somewhat different. Just see the view. Where are we even riding? A small kid is waving from the car, so I was responding to that. Yeah, left is very we can't even momentarily we can't even see. Yes, now we are on the other side. If we turn this side, we can see Snow-Capped Mountains there. This side it's a different view. So like I said before, for every turn there is a view. We just reached LOC's viewpoint. It's all POK, Park Occupied Kashmir. And there we have to take the same route, continue in the same road to reach Memories of Museum. It's there. So basically there is a viewpoint also where we can see. Folks, we just finished. We saw around six posts together. In that, I think 4 were Indian Army posts and 2 were Pakistani posts near line of control. And we saw a village which is abandoned now in POK. I mean, I couldn't take it in video because we were seeing in the binoculars. It was so clearly placed, and we had to pay 50 rupees per head, but it was worth it. So if you are coming to Kargil, never ever miss this place. Do visit. See the Indian posts. They are so high here. The posts are so high. You can't even imagine that people are living there. Seriously, and really respect for our Indian Army. Yeah, now we are going to Museum of Memories. So we'll go there. We'll see what it is about. I think we are approaching Museum of Memories. Even I am not exactly sure. So it says Hunderman Heritage Museum. आगे जा सकता है यहाँ पे लास्ट कहाँ पे ये म्यूजियम है ओ यही है ओके ओके ये इंडिया के आता है ना
अभी इंडिया का आता है
ओके पाकिस्तान का था ना
अभी जो यहाँ पे रहते थे ना
हाँ
थोड़ा ऊपर से सेटल हो गया
ओ ऊपर जाके वो सेटल हो गए ये नॉर्मल सिविलियंस रहते थे ना ओके ओके युद्ध के बाद वो ओके Folks, so this is Museum of Memories, that's what they are calling. So people used to stay here before the war and all. Once the war has happened, and so they moved a bit on the top itself. So we'll go there and also see. So on the remainings, right? So they've kept it as part of museum. We can go down actually. It takes around half an hour it seems. Yeah, so this is Museum of Memories. Now let's see where they've gone and where they've settled. I can see a dargah and some homes there. Ade maga. Let's go. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಗ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ there is some medical base also. Okay, this side we can go. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ 5? Okay, in 500 meters the road will close it seems. Oh, there is a proper village. Oh, car connectivity and all is there, huh? Oh, but how are they commuting? But this guy said in 500 meters road will close. Oh, they are well settled here properly. They have cars and all. Oh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ ಮಗ. Down there is road going. ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಲೇಜ್ಗೂ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು. And I can see a school also here. So these were the people who were there when the war and all happened. So they've come here and found a new life. They've settled down here. Nice here. This is interesting actually. Top there is our Indian post. I'm not sure, you guys can't see in the camera. I saw it in binoculars. So guys, whenever you come to Kargil, do visit these places. It's very good, highly recommended. Oh, nice here. So there is a proper village here with the connectivity and all. There are kids. I think I've never been this close to the border, or at least let's say LOC. And they have their own irrigation techniques. They are growing their own food here. You can see them growing something. Closer. That's it. Nadi, let's take a photo, man. Here. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು. Yeah, Purigpa Tribe, that is okay, but after this there is nothing, Allah. Just put it Hunderman. So we saw memories of museum of memories, sorry. And we just saw the Hunderman village also, where the people have moved. Yeah, this is some medical post it seems. I mean, if there is any medical emergency, they'll get treated here. This is our army post. I can see a temple also there inside. Guys, now we are going to Purigba village, tribe village. Alli nodi jeep hogtide. There is one jeep which is going. So we don't know till where this road goes, or I'm not sure we are allowed or not. So we'll just go there and see. There is one mosque. ये कहाँ तक जाएगा? यही तक के खत्म है. ओके. ओह, ओके. क्या नाम क्या है? हाँ, हुंदरमन. ओके. पुरिग्बा कहाँ है? पुरिग्बा. हाँ, पुरिग्बा पता नहीं. ओके, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ओके. सिर्फ ऐसा घर. हाँ, हम जाके देख आ सकते हैं ना. Okay, thanks. In this road, if we go, in the end, I think we'll see Purigpa Tribe it seems. Yeah, we don't know if they are still there or not. We're just going. We'll see. So few people, like after the war, they moved on the top, right? Like I've shown in the video. So some few people moved here it seems. So this village was known as Hunderman. So do you think this is the one? Purigba tribe. Okay, but they have evolved. So usually tribe means we'll think they'll be living in jungle and all that. So they've evolved. I mean, it's I think Purigba is one kind, alva? It's a community. Yeah, it's a community. There is one helipad there. And our road ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ, we don't know what road is this. ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಸ್ಕು ಅಂತ. ಇವರನ್ಗೆ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. कहाँ जाना है? मैप पे यही दिखा रहा है. कहाँ जाना है? हंडरमन यही है, बट वो LOC व्यू पॉइंट देखा है ना, देखता है ना, वो ऊपर जाना है. वो मेन रोड आता है ना, मेन रोड से लेके जा सकता है. हाँ, अबेंडन विलेज उस तरफ ही है, वही रोड पे. हाँ हाँ, ऊपर ही है. मैप तो यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है. हाँ हाँ, वही ये पुराना रोड था, वो अभी नया वाला बन रहा है. आप रोड आए थे ना, अच्छा वाला रोड, वो फॉलो कर लो. ये यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. I just wanted to know, I think that helipad belongs to India, I guess. That is our, yeah, that is India. And this road connects to the base. There is one post, right? Top, I can see the dargah which they showed, the Pakistani dargah from here, properly. So folks, yeah, this is it. This is all the places we had planned, 4 places. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you get anything useful out of it, if you got entertained, make sure you hit that like button and do subscribe and share it with your friends, guys. Explore these places. This is all hidden places, not many will come to explore. So we'll return to Kargil and we'll rest. Tomorrow we are heading to Leh, so stay tuned for the complete series, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.